Welcome to BodhiKidz. Today, we are going to explore something very real and very human. Fear. Think about a moment when you felt scared. Maybe in the dark, during a loud noise, or while watching something unexpected. In English, we don't just say, I am scared. We express fear in many different ways, depending on when we feel it and how strongly we feel it. For example, I'm scared means we are feeling fear right now. But when we say, I get scared, it means we usually feel scared in certain situations. And then there are deeper emotions. I am afraid means a gentle fear. I am terrified means very strong fear. And I am petrified means extreme fear, where the body almost freezes. Now listen carefully to this conversation between two children. Hey Arav, why are you sitting so quietly?
I'm scared.
Scared? What happened?
I just heard a strange noise from the other room.
Oh, I get scared when I hear sudden noises too.
What do you mean by I get scared?
When I say I get scared, it means I usually feel scared in situations like this. But when you say I'm scared, it means you are scared right now.
Oh, so I'm scared is for now, and I get scared is for something that happens again and again?
Exactly.
That makes sense. I'm scared right now, but I get scared when the lights suddenly go off.
Same here. Sometimes I'm afraid of the dark.
Is afraid the same as scared?
Yes, but it sounds a little softer. Not too strong.
I think I feel more than afraid sometimes. Like during a storm, I feel terrified.
Terrified means very, very scared.
Yes, and once, when there was loud thunder, I was petrified. I couldn't even move.
Petrified means extremely scared, almost frozen.
That's exactly how I felt.
What else scares you?
I get scared when I watch horror movies, and my brother always tries to scare me.
How does he scare you?
He hides behind the door and suddenly jumps out.
Oh, my cousin does that too. He scares me all the time.
Have you ever scared someone?
Yes, once I hid behind the curtain and scared my sister. She screamed.
That must have been funny.
It was, but I said sorry later.
I think talking about fear makes it feel smaller.
Yes, when we talk about it, we understand it better. Let's understand some words. Afraid means feeling a little scared. Let me say it in a sentence so you can understand it better. I'm afraid of the dark. This means the person feels a little scared when it is dark. Terrified means very, very scared. Let me use it in a sentence. I was terrified during the storm. This means the person felt extremely scared because of the loud thunder and strong wind. Petrified means extremely scared, almost like your body stops moving. Let me explain it with a sentence. I was petrified when I heard a loud noise. This means the person was so scared that they could not even react. Your turn. Now think and speak. What are you scared of? When do you get scared? Has anyone ever scared you? Have you ever scared someone? Try to use I'm scared of. I get scared when. I was terrified when. Thank you for listening to BodhiKidz podcast. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and see you in the next episode.